Hello everyone. Today we would like to talk about some of the critically endangered species on planet Earth. The first one is Amur tigers. Amur tigers are also known as Siberian tigers. The main reason for the disappearance is regular poaching, habitat loss, and illegal hunting. Roads are another important threat to Siberian tigers as they get hit by the vehicles and injure themselves. In today's time, only about 500 Siberian tigers remain in the wild. They mostly live in eastern Russia and the bordering regions. Countries like China and Russia have made a good start in conserving these animals by banning exporting logs of wood, which in turn conserve their habitat, and making national parks that gives them a home, etc. There are some countries that make a difference, and we should try to do the same.
Black rhinos are listed as critically endangered species that are found in eastern and southern parts of Africa. Populations of black rhino decreased instantly in the 20th century by hands of European hunters and settlers. Between 1960 and 1995, black rhinos' number dropped by a sobering 98% to less than 2,500 left in the wild. But since then, the species has made an amazing comeback from the brink of extinction, thanks to persistent conservation efforts across Africa. Black rhino numbers have doubled in number less than 20 years to around 5,600 today.
The third species on our list is cross river gorilla. They are also critically endangered species, and they are the most endangered great ape in Africa. That is because there are only 200 to 300 of cross river gorillas left in the wild. They are found in lowland montane forests and rainforests of Cameroon and Nigeria. Poaching for bushmeat or sport or accidental killing is decreasing their population. Human-mediated habitat destruction and fragmentation for logging for agriculture is also a problem. WWF and partners have worked with the government of Cameroon and Nigeria to create protected areas for cross-river gorilla that spans the border of these two nations.
The Hawksbill turtle is a highly migratory animal that lives in tropical waters. They are currently classified as critically endangered by the IUCN, with only 5,000 left in the wild. They are hunted for their shells, eggs, and meat. They have been hunted for thousands of years. A major threat to hawksbill turtles is the loss of nesting habitat and coral reefs due to coastal development, rising seas from climate change, and pollution. Hawksbill turtle rely on these coral reefs for food resources and habitat. Sadly, these creatures are on the brink of extinction. In 1980, there were around 1,15,000 turtles, but now only a fraction is left. It is this time only when we can save them. The Bornean orangutan is a species of orangutan that lives in the island of Borneo. A century ago, there were probably more than 230,000 Bornean orangutans, but it is now estimated at about 104,700. The population have declined by more than 50% over the past 60 years, and the species habitat has been reduced by at least 55% over the past 20 years. The Bornean orangutan is now critically endangered, with populations in sharp decline due to habitat destruction and illegal hunting. They are killed for many reasons: The most common is the trade of meat or because farmers believe they are a threat to their crops.
These are only 5 animals that we talked about, but there are thousands more that are in the same fate. That is the sad truth. These all animals are dying because of us, humans. Even animals are living beings. We, as responsible citizens and nature savers, should stop buying products that are made from animal body parts. We should not unnecessarily shop things that are made up of leather, animal fur, horns, tusks, etc. as one item that we buy can kill thousands or more animals. Making small steps like boycotting these things can save the life of our dear animals. Never doubt that a small group of determined citizens can change the earth. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has. Thank you. See you again in the next video.